If you like to do handicrafts, I have a nice and easy do-it-yourself project for you. It's also a cute gift for your loved ones if you could not celebrate with them this year. First, you just have fun with your kids playing artist and painting. If they are old enough, you could together cut some shapes off of that paintings like circles or Christmas trees. Now you just pick some nice pictures of you and your family and glue them on the shapes. After that you can make a little wreath and tie the shapes around it. I used a metal ring and dried flowers. And ready is your personal gift.